So I came here to see Dr. Rogini because I have complaining about my back pain and I can't turn my neck on the right side. Yeah, so yesterday I went for swimming and for the first time I was able to turn my head on the right side to breathe. Usually I just use my I just breathe on the left side.
You can slide a little down this way. Good. So I'm going to have you raise your right leg up. Okay, so this one feels more difficult to lift up there?
Yes.
Okay, so it looks like it's a sacrum there. Let's see. So your sacrum has tilted to the right, I mean to the left here. So I'm just, there you go, perfect. Okay, now try lifting it up again. Okay, now the other side. A little bit looser or about the same?
Yeah, I feel better now.
Yeah. Today a little bit more tight. I'll have you slide a little bit down. A little bit more. Good. Then just relax your hands there. Okay, breath in. And all the way out. And just relax. There you go. Perfect. That was a good one. Good. Okay, relax your arms there. Hold it on your belly. So the reason why he came in for an adjustment is he had severe stiffness in his neck and limited motion, like movement-wise, in terms of range of motion. You can only go to which side you couldn't go? To the right side, right?
Yeah, to the right.
Yeah, so according to his x-rays, he's majorly subluxated on the right side of C1, so we're going to adjust his C1 right now. Nice adjustment, there you go. Okay, just sit with it for a little bit. A little pain right there. Yeah, we're going to adjust you there. This is where your crepit is,
Yeah.
so you have a lot of pain. So turn your head to the right. Just turning to the right, so look straight. Yeah, there you go. Now to the other side. So he couldn't even do this before, especially to the right side. So you can see it's not 100%, like go back to the right. It's not 100% better, but there's still some limitation, but definitely better than the first time. Okay, I'll have you go straight forward. And there you go, good. So take a nice deep breath in. And all the way out. Good. Too much there? The pressure?
Yeah, yes. Yeah.
Okay, now turn your head to the right there. Good, much better. Now to the other side. Good. Look straight ahead. That was a good adjustment. So I would suggest for you, like next time, try